गुड इवनिंग एंड हेलो। कल के लिए ट्रेड प्लान फॉर 2 अगस्त फ्राइडे। आज निफ्टी एक्सपायरी थी। सो सबसे बढ़िया खबर आज की ये है कि वी मैनेज टू कैप्चर 25,000 एंड क्लोज अबव दैट। लेट्स लुक एट द चार्ट्स। डेली चार्ट्स, Nifty has closed at 25010 in the daily chart and 25004 in the intraday chart. Perfectly fine. This seemingly tough um, level has been captured, and the close has been above that, although the conviction is not that strong, but it has managed to close above that. Very good news. So Nifty is good. Bank Nifty, um 51,898, let's say 51,900 acted as a tough resistance, and Bank Nifty got a pushback from there and has closed around 51,564. Let's look at the intraday hourly charts. The candlestick pattern that I'm seeing in Bank Nifty is very encouraging, and Bank Nifty has closed at 51,605 in the intraday chart. Very good. I'm not getting any clue from the hourly charts for Nifty. What can I do? Let me look at 75 minutes charts. Do I get something? I get a reconfirmation on hammer kind of a formation on Bank Nifty. Very good. Bank Nifty could surprise us tomorrow. Do I get a suggestion on Nifty? Not yet. What do? I convert it into a 2 hourly charts. अब दिख रहा है. In 2 hourly charts, what am I seeing here? Look at this green candle. Brilliant candlestick pattern. Two consecutive candlestick with long down wicks. That means यहाँ पे buying आ रही है. And ये hammer type का pattern बन रहा है. Which means there is more upside pending. Simple है ना? But you need to understand these nitty-gritties, and this comes with experience. Tomorrow, 9:30 is the cycle time for Bank Nifty. This is a hint for you. Is it going to help or not? We don't know. But when it helps, it really makes things nice. So, for example, Nifty had a time cycle at look at this. Nifty's time cycle was at 9:15 a.m. when this was at 2:45 p.m. yesterday, or 2:45 p.m. ka low. And if I just ignore this small dip of 8 points, how many points Nifty was able to rally today? 140 points. This is what happens when the time cycle is there and the price action works out to your advantage. Now, if the price action shows to our advantage tomorrow for Bank Nifty, we can see something very interesting in Bank Nifty tomorrow. And Bank Nifty के ऊपर ध्यान जरूर रखना कल. Although 700, 800 to 900, 51,700 to 51,900, let's say 51,800 plus minus 100 points. This has been acting as a resistance for quite some time. But considering the fact that it is closed at 51,600, तो कम से कम 100-200 या हो सकता है 300 पॉइंट तक का मूव हमें दिख सकता है बैंक निफ्टी में. मे बी मोर, वी डोंट नो. It all depends upon how this cycle time encourages Bank Nifty to bulls to take it up. Nifty में it is positive. There's nothing wrong in it. This up move that we saw, let me draw it for you. This gap up was sustained, and as of now, it's closed on the higher end of this gap up, which is fairly okay. Nifty cycle time tomorrow is at 1 o'clock. So Bank Nifty cycle time tomorrow is at 9:30 a.m. while Nifty cycle time is at 1 o'clock. Keep both these times in mind. कुछ भी हो सकता है. We may get a strong up move in one or more cases also if it decides to work in our favor. इन सब का डीएनए जानने के लिए let's look at HDFC Bank, the largest script in Nifty 50 and obviously for Bank Nifty. HDFC Bank, after consolidation here for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading sessions, has actually given a breakout on the upside. This is what I see. It has managed to hit not only 1639 but made an attempt to go up and hit 1651 as well. This is interesting. The next target is 1656, and if all goes well, then the next target will be 1691. That said, what is Reliance doing today? Reliance opened gap up and sustained. So Reliance was a key factor, and HDFC Bank, of course. These two took the Nifty up today. Chances are this happiness could continue tomorrow also. ICICI Bank has been consolidating above the close of this green candle of 26th July, above this. So this consolidation has been above this. So maybe one strong move on the upside could change the entire game for Nifty, and we could even see Nifty going 25,300 or 300 plus levels. I'll come to the levels very soon. Infosys opened gap down for a change. It was sitting on a gap up, but it opened gap down from yesterday and managed to fill the gap, but it closed below. But it did manage to touch and fill the gap. But top three scripts are giving a fairly strong situation. So tomorrow we could be looking at a possible upside, and dips are likely to be a buy opportunity. Levels. Let's talk about levels. I had shared this level of 25050. You would all remember 25050. This was hit in the first hour itself. And after that, a consolidation kept on happening, and Nifty has closed at 25,000 plus. What next? Nifty has to first capture 25,050. Then it has to capture today's high, all-time high of 2578. Broadly 25,080 अगर क्रॉस होता है तो 25,100, 105, 115 ये लेवल आ सकती है. 105, 106 and 115 may be seen tomorrow if 25,080 is crossed. लेवल्स पास हैं इसलिए बिकॉज बहुत मूव हो चुका है. So there is, it's not going to go up tremendously high now. It's already very high. So the levels are slightly on the lower intervals. Okay, what next? If it falls, where is the support? Okay, if it falls, where is the support? Let's figure it out. देख लेते हैं. Let's look at this. Let's look at this and okay. So 25,000 technically is a good support because the first level we are seeing is 25,002. तो 25,000 एक बहुत बढ़िया सपोर्ट है. Failing which 24,977, failing which about 24,926, an intermediate support of 24,952. होना नहीं चाहिए. You never know. Maybe second half can be volatile, but for some reason it is. It's good to know. So 25,000 remains a good support, and we should close above tomorrow above 25,000. for the positivity to continue. So that is for the closing hours statement for the closing hours for tomorrow. For the opening hours, we should, whenever we see a dip even up to 24,977, let's say 24,980 levels, could be bought happily and could lead to a up move. This is what I would like to say. And where is India VIX? Comfortable at 12.93. I don't see any challenge there. So this is where we are. Trade plan for tomorrow, 2nd of August to Friday. That's it. Trust you all made money. Basis the levels I had shared, I was very confident yesterday when I made my recommendation of the levels. I'm equally confident for tomorrow. Let's see. But irrespective of that, things can backfire. Please do not assume and trade blindly. Ensure your stop losses are in place. Losses are okay. Lose less, gain more. Stay green. Bye bye.